Let's start the exercise. Put the verbs in brackets in the correct form, either past perfect tense or past perfect continuous tense. Here are few sentences. 10 sentences are there. In these sentences, we will put past perfect tense or past perfect continuous tense. First of all, I will tell you what does past perfect tense mean and past perfect continuous tense mean. Past perfect tense is used to describe an action completed at some point in the past. For example, I had left the house before it started raining. And the definition of past perfect continuous tense, it means it is used to describe an action which had been going on for some time and finished at some definite time in the past. For example, she had been working since morning. Now let's start the sentences. Sentence number 1 is, after you leave, I went to sleep. In this sentence, we can see it easily. Here is the past indefinite tense. So obviously we will put over there past perfect tense. So the sentence will be like this. After you had left, I went to sleep. Second one, they take their breakfast after they had washed their hands. In this sentence, we can see it easily. Here the past perfect tense is already used. So in place of past perfect tense, we will write over here past indefinite tense. So the sentence will be like this. They took their breakfast after they had washed their hands. I have written took over there. Sentence number 3. I work on this assignment for a month. Here the time is mentioned. So in past perfect tense, we know very well the time will come in the sense of since or for. So that's why we will write down I had been working, because in past perfect continuous tense, had been working, present participle first form of the verb with ing will come. So the sentence will be like this. I had been working on this assignment for a month. Fourth, Ali prepared for his examination since October. Again, past perfect continuous tense is there because the time is mentioned. So we will write down past present participle fourth form of the verb with had been. Ali had been preparing for his examination since October. Sentence number 5. She asked why we had wanted to leave early. We can see here the past perfect tense is already used. So obviously here past indefinite tense will come. She asked why we had wanted to leave early. Sentence number 6. I asked her what places she visited in Europe. Here we can see past indefinite tense used over here. So obviously in the second sentence we will use past perfect tense. So she had visited in Europe will come. Sentence number 7. The sun not rise before we were ready to leave. In this sentence, here you can see past indefinite tense is used. So in place of past indefinite, past perfect tense will come. The sun had not risen. Rise third form is risen. It will come before we were ready to leave. Number 8. I had never seen snow before I go to Murray. I had never seen snow before, because here past perfect tense is used. So in place of past perfect tense we will use second form of the verb, or the past indefinite tense we will use over there. So the sentence will be like this. I had never seen snow before I went to Murray. Sentence number 9. Aslam swam for 3 hours. Time is mentioned, so obviously past perfect tense continuous tense will come. So the sentence will be like this. Aslam had been swimming for 3 hours. Sentence number 10. The bus stopped before we stepped out. Past indefinite tense is there. In the second sentence, obviously in the first sentence, past perfect tense will come. The bus had stopped before we stepped out. Hope you understand this exercise very well. If you will feel any difficulty, then you can discuss with me anytime. Thank you so much, class. Allah Hafiz.